watching the funny shit. Illest goal. I scored the illest goals of FIFA, bro.
Man, this guy's man whack. He's got Ford F-150, a Ford Mustang.
Oh yeah, I've seen that shit.
That whack Mustang. It's whack shit. He thinks it's so ill because it's convertible. Yo, it's just gay shit.
Oh, you don't like it?
I don't like him. There's only very few Mustangs I like, actually.
I have a perfect view.
What? It continues on? I keep smoking it? Like, does that continue happening?
No, you don't smoke it anymore. You don't smoke it. It turned purple. Look, don't smoke that shit, son. Don't be smoking that shit, yo. Put it down.
Well, I appreciate you telling me not to continue smoking it.